Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning a new letter. We're going to be learning the letter S. What letter is this?
S.
Very good. S makes two different sounds. It makes S and Z. What sounds does this letter make?
S. Z.
Very good. And what was this letter again?
S.
Awesome job. So we're also going to learn how to write the letter S today. So these first you're just going to follow along and then we're going to work on them together. So we're going to start right here. We're going to go up to the top, curl at our middle line, and go all the way to our bottom line. So how many lines should we be touching with our S?
1, 3.
Good job. Let's try it one more time. We have this. We're going to touch the top, curl, and go all the way to the bottom. Did we make all 3 lines? One.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's try it all together. So everybody take their finger. You can use whatever finger you write with. We're going to start up. We're going to touch the top line, curl at the middle, go all the way to the bottom. Do we need to do that one more time?
Yeah.
All right. Start, touch the top line, curl at the middle line, and go all the way to the bottom. And what letter is this?
S.
S. Very good. Now this is going to be an uppercase S. Now we're going to work on our lowercase s. So this was our uppercase, and then this is going to be what?
Baby, no, lowercase.
Lowercase. And what sound does an S make?
S and Z.
Very good. So if we're making a lowercase s, we're going to start down underneath our dotted line. We're going to touch our dotted line and then go all the way to the bottom. So how many lines are we touching with our lowercase s?
2.
2. We're touching our dotted line and our very bottom line. Let's do that one more time. We're going to go all the way to the bottom. Did we touch our 2 lines?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's try to draw that one. So we're going to take our big S and make it a little smaller. Ready? We're going to go up to the dotted line, curl, and go to the bottom line. Let's do it one more time. Up to the dotted line, curl, and go to the bottom line. Very nice. And what letter was this?
S.
S. And what are the 2 sounds that it makes?
S. Z.
Very nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to say it, we're going to make the sounds, and then we're going to say how to draw it together. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Follow along. This is the letter S.
S.
It makes S and Z. We start, go to the top, curl at the middle, and touch the bottom. Very nice. So can we think of any words that start with the letter
Snake.
Snake? Good job.
Slippery snake.
So what sound does a snake make? And what sound does S make? I'm going to draw a little snake.
Snake.
I'm going to draw another one right here. A snake. Good job. One more time. What was this letter?
S for snake.
S. And what sound does an S make?
And Z.
And Z. Very nice job, guys. And that was the letter S.